What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Oreo balls, an easy no-bake recipe. We hope y'all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. This recipe is fairly simple. We only need 3 ingredients, which is Oreos, cream cheese, and white vanilla melting wafers. Powdered sugar and milk chocolate is optional. We're going to start by crumbling our Oreos. Drop the entire package of Oreos in a blender or food processor, or you can place them in a Ziploc bag and smash them with a rolling pin. Next, we're going to place the Oreo crumbles in a bowl, but we're going to place a little bit to the side to use as a topping later. Add softened cream cheese. You can mix with a spatula, spoon, or with a hand mixer until smooth. Now it's time to form our Oreo balls. Use an ice cream scoop to scoop the mixture, roll in your hand, and place on a baking sheet. Once your Oreo balls are firm, you can begin to melt your chocolate according to the directions on your package. Dip your Oreo balls in the melted chocolate until fully covered. Place it back on your baking sheet and immediately sprinkle your Oreo crumbles on top before the chocolate dries. These last steps are optional. Alternate ways to top off your Oreo balls. The first one is by rolling in powdered sugar, and this can be achieved with or without the chocolate dipping. And lastly, you could drizzle milk chocolate on top with a piping bag, a Ziploc bag as shown in the video. And there you have it, Oreo balls. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment below what you'd like to see us make next. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know that them MFers be cooking.